Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing a very good and interesting questions. This is a circle given to us. एक वृत्त है circle. AB and CD, they are the two chords perpendicular to each other. Okay? AB और CD दो भुजा जीवा है इस सर्कल की, एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर है. कंडीशंस ये दे रखी. AE is equal to 6 centimeter. It means this is 6. This is AE. AE. This is A. This is E. Is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. This is C point. CE. C is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. And DE is equal to 18. D is this the point on circumference. This is the point D. This is 18 centimeter. Correct? These are the chords of a circle. This is the A point. This is C point. This is C point. And this is D point. Okay? We are given here. Please, I am going to write it over here. AE is 6 centimeter. DE is equal to 18 centimeter. And CE is equal to 8 centimeter. This is already given to us. Okay. मैंने एक डायग्राम नीचे बना लिया है अपनी आसानी के लिए. दो कॉर्ड्स हैं. ये इसका E पॉइंट B इधर. ओके. करेक्ट. दिस इज A पॉइंट. A is given to us is AC is AE. AE is equal to 6. AE. EB is not known to us. CE 8 centimeter. CE 8 centimeter. And DE is equal to 18 centimeter. We have this, only these things are given to us. सिर्फ ये तीन चीजें हमें दे रखी. To find the shaded area. To find क्या हम निकालना है? To find area of shaded region. Shaded region का एरिया निकालना है. It means area of CEB plus AED. ये निकालना है. CEB and AED. This area निकालना है. How can we do this? Think about this. First of all, we will apply the theory of chord. When they cross each other, intersect each other inside the circle, then what is the theory? जब कोई दो जीवाएं वृत्त के अंदर एक दूसरे को क्रॉस करती, क्या थ्योरी क्या होती है? थ्योरी ऑफ chord intersection inside the सर्किल. इस तरह से होती है. ये कॉर्ड्स है, ये कॉर्ड है. कोई भी एंगल पे एक सर्किल है, किसी भी एंगल पे एक दूसरे को अगर क्रॉस कर रही है, इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है, देन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द सेगमेंट इसका इनटू ये पोर्शन, इसका ये हिस्सा इनटू ये हिस्सा इस कॉर्ड का will be equal to the product of this portion and this portion. Though in our case these are the two chords intersecting each other at 90 degree. It doesn't mean, it doesn't affect on this theory. ये इस थ्योरी पे कोई असर नहीं डालेगा. इवन दो ये इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं, वो बात अलग है, 90 डिग्री पे कर रही है, लेकिन कॉर्ड इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है. उस केस में हम ये कह सकते हैं द सेम थ्योरी विल बी अप्लाइड. It means if this is the portion, this further again I am repeating it. This is a circle in which two chords are intersecting to each other. This is A portion, this is B, this is C and D. Then AB product of AB, this portion plus this portion will be equal to this portion into this portion will be equal to D into C. This is the theory will be applicable for any two chords if they are intersecting at any angle. In our case, it is by chance intersecting at 90 degree. Doesn't mean. Okay. It means from here, if let us suppose EB is equal to X, then X will be equal to, it means we can say 6 into, applying this theory, 6 into X will be equal to 8 into 18. It means X will be equal to, this is 3, it is 24. This distance will be equal to 24. Correct? It means EB we have obtained equal to 24. Okay, now EB is equal to 24 centimeters. Now what we do? अब आगे क्या करेंगे? What we have to do? This is, suppose O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Then we know when the chords are perpendicular to each other, and we join this perpendicular drop from circle on the chord, it always bisect into two equal parts. किसी भी chord पे, किसी भी जीवा पे सेंटर से अगर परपेंडिकुलर डाले, लंब डाले सेंटर से, केंद्र से लंब डाले, तो वो chord को दो इक्वल पोर्शन में बांटती है. The perpendicular drop from center on a chord is always divide the chord into two equal parts. Okay, this theory will also be applicable. It means if we drop the perpendicular from here, this perpendicular, and this is also perpendicular. Let us suppose this point is F and G. This point is G, this point of F. So by virtue, as per the theory, AB will be divided into two portions by this perpendicular, that is AF will be equal to FB. AF will be equal to FB. Okay, and CG will be equal to GD, because we have dropped perpendicular from the center on the chords. Perpendicular drop here. Always perpendicular divide the perpendicular from the center on the chord, always divide the chords into two equal parts. It means AB is equal to what? AB is equal to what? AB is equal to AE plus EB. That is this AE already given to us 6, and this is 24. It is equal to 6 plus 24. This will be AB. It means EF. This AF will be exact. It means AF will be equal to, that is 30 by 2. That is 15. This is 36 plus 24 is 13. A perpendicular drop from the center is just in the middle of this. This will total is 15. It means this distance, this F point will be here somehow I can draw it. This is the perpendicular drop from the center O. This is F. It means this will be, AF will be the middle point, F will be the middle point of AB. Total length is 30. It means AF will be 15. Out of which this already given to 6. Now, EF will be AF minus AE. That is 15 minus 6 is equal to 9 centimeters. It means this portion, this EF, this will be equal to 9. Is it clear? This will be equal to 9. Correct? Very much correct. Because again I am repeating it, this was totally 30. Half of this, because we have dropped the perpendicular, is equal to 15. Out of which this portion was given to us AE 6. So 15 minus 6, then EF will be equal to 9. EF will be equal to 9. EF 9. Okay, drop. Same is the condition with this. Same is the condition with this. We can obtain the radius from here also. This is what? 9. It means this will be 9. And this total was equal to 18. This total was equal to 18. This was, but this is the length of AB. Now length of CD is also can be obtained. Now the length of this chord CD. CD is equal to, this was 8 plus 18 is equal to 26, and this G is the middle point of 26. It means GD will be equal to 13. This is 13. GD is equal to 13. This will be equal to 18. No. This point will be this 30. GD will be equal to 30. This portion will become 30 because this was totally, it was 26. 8 plus 18 is 26. It means this is the middle point. This is also 30. This is also 30. This portion is equal to 30. Okay. It means we are having a triangle in which this is the type of the triangle we are getting here. This is G point. This is center O. This was calculated 9 centimeter. And this is D point is equal to 13 centimeter. Okay. It means this will be the radius of the circle. This will be the radius of the circle. This will be the radius of the circle. Correct? This is 13. GD is 13. This is 9. And radius can be obtained. Now radius will be equal to, hence now radius will be equal to of the circle, square of the radius. We will apply the Pythagoras theory in this triangle. This is 90 degree because we have dropped the perpendicular from center O on chord CD. R square, this will be equal to 9 square plus 13 square. This is 81 plus 169. Add it, this will get 250. It means R square is equal to 250. It means now the area of the whole circle can be obtained. Okay, I am going to rub it. At present, no use of this written work. Okay, इसका लिखने का कोई फायदा नहीं, इसको रब कर रहे हो। तो हमने एरिया ऑफ द क्या निकाल लिया? सर्कल। एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल। अब क्यों निकाला ये भी हम बताएंगे। एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल this will be pi r square. Pi into r square, that is pi times 250 square unit, square cm. This will be the area of the whole circle. Okay, अब आगे क्या करना है? What we have to do? What we do, that same size of chord we have drawn at the same distance 9 away from this way. It means the length of CD is equal to 26. This is also 26. Suppose this is C dash and D dash. Okay, and same we have done. The distance will be, this distance will be equal to this distance. Okay, this will be the middle point. Don't go on figure. Figure may be somewhat drawn wrong, but question is correct. फिगर पे ना जाए. फिगर कभी थोड़ा मैन्युअली डिजाइन की आती है, थोड़ा गलत सी बनती है, लेकिन ये बिल्कुल वो वाली CD 18 के बराबर एक जितनी दूरी पे ये है उतनी दूरी पे ये कॉर्ड बनाई CC डैश. तो ये इसकी लंबाई भी 18 ही है टोटल, और ये भी परपेंडिकुलर है इसके. सेम वी हैव ड्रॉप. दिस वाज 30. AB was 30. AB was 30. This AB was 30. तो इसको बिल्कुल 30 कॉर्ड का बिल्कुल इसके पैरेलल इसमें ड्रॉप किया हमने, बिल्कुल ये चीज. तो ये वाली जो कॉर्ड डिस्टेंस होगा ये भी इसके बराबर होगा. करेक्ट. और ये कॉर्ड. ठीक है. अब क्या होगा देखिए. टोटल सर्किल एरिया है. इसके अंदर इस एरिया को हम मार्क करते हैं. सपोज दिस इज एरिया A1, दिस इज A2. ओके. दिस इज एरिया A1. ओके. एरिया A1, A2. This is the area of the shaded region, and this is A3. This is A3, and this portion is A4. It means this portion is A3, this is A2, and this is A1. Okay. Now we can see it. What we can see? This total A4 will be equal to A4 because this is the chord. This is common area, and this will be automatically equal to A4. This portion. Similar is the case. This is A1. This will be equal to A1, and this whole area. This will be by virtue equal to A2. Correct? Because this is just symmetric to this. And this is just symmetrical to this portion. This is just symmetrical to this portion. And this is just symmetrical to this portion. And this is equal to A3. Okay? It means we can say that the circle area, total circle area, can be written as the sum of A1 total area, which is equal to 5 to 250. This is the area of the circle. This can be written as equal to area A4 plus A2 plus A1, A4, A2, A1, A3, A1 plus A3 plus A1 plus this is A2 plus A2 plus A4 and plus A3. ओके. देखिए यहां से चलिए A1, A2, A4. यहां से चल रहे हैं A4, A2, A1. ठीक है. A3, A1, A2, A4 and A3. This is the area plus area of this rectangle. This is area of this side E. This is E dash, suppose E dash. This is suppose H dash. H dash, area of E dash, H dash. Okay, this portion. If these all segments join together, we'll get the area of the circle. This can be written as pi into 250. This will be equal to, this is A4 and A4. 2 times A4. A2 and A2. 2 times A2. A1 and A1. 2 times A1. And A3 plus 2 times A3. Plus area of this EE dash XX dash. This will be equal to EH into EE dash. And this is what? This is what? This is the midpoint. We have already, but this is 9. It means this will be also 9. This is to be calculated. ये भी हमने calculate नहीं किया है. This is total distance is equal to 18 because it was what, 30. This was 30. Half of this is 15 and this was given to us 6. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Same, total length was 26. Half of this is 30. This is 30. This length was given equal to 18. 18 minus 13 is equal to, this is 5. Total length was given us, this total length was given 18, out of which this was the middle point. This was the middle point, so that 18 plus 6 was equal to 26. 26 half 13, this is the middle point, this becomes 13, this is the 13, and this whole length was 18. So 18 minus 13 is equal to 5. So this length will be 5, this will be 9. So that we can say that this will be equal to 2 times A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus 9 into 5. That is 45. This will be the pi 250. Area of the circle is equal to 250 pi. 250 pi is equal to 2 into A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus 945. Or we can say two 50 pi minus 45 is equal upon 2 is the area A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. This is the area of the shaded region which is to be found, plus A4. Okay. This is 9. Okay. It is somewhat wrong. Sorry. It was a 9 plus 9. It should be 18. Because this is 9, this is 9. It should be 18. Very sorry. And this is 5 and this will be also 5. Into 10. Sorry for mistake. Because this is just half point. So this is 9, then this will be 9. This we have calculated 5. It means this total will be 10. So in place of 9 we have to write 18. In place of 5 we have to write 10. So that it will be equal to plus 180. Okay. 2 times A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus 180. This will be equal to 250 pi. Okay. Now this 180 will come back over here. Or we divide the whole equation by 2. Then we get 150 पाई पूरी इक्वेशन को 2 से भाग कर दिए तो हमें बढ़ेगा 150 पाई बराबर है A1 प्लस A2 प्लस A3 प्लस A4 माइनस 90 है, माइनस 90। इस 90 को इधर लेके आइए, the answer will be 150 pi minus 90 will be equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, which is what? We have to consider only this, and this is not to be considered. To निकालना है, we have to find only this portion, which is the addition of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4. This is we have obtained. Okay? एक बात यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिए, ये हमने फिगर में बताइए. This was the middle point. We have dropped the perpendicular. This whole length was 30. Half will be 50. Out of which 6 घट जाएगा. This will be 9. It means this will be 9 and this will be also 9. Total length will be 18. Same in the case of this. This was 26. We have proved. Half of this is 13. Out of which this was 18. It means this portion is only 5. And it means this portion will be also 5. Total height will be 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So the area of this rectangle will be 10 into 18. That is 180. The whole area of the circle can be written as this area plus 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 this area, which is pi 250. Out of which we have subtracted this 18 into 10. This is 180. All the things are 2 times A1 plus A2 plus A3 divided the equation whole by 2. Then we will get simply the addition of A1, A2, A3, A4, which is the shaded region, जो हमारा shaded region है. ये कैसे बराबर हुआ? ये वाला A4 इसके जस्ट सिमेट्री होगा, ये वाला एरिया इस A2 के बराबर होगा, ये वाला एरिया A1 के बराबर होगा, ये A3 है तो ये A3 के बराबर. क्लियर कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया होगा. आई थिंक यू गेट एंजॉय दिस. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो. कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने बहुत क्लियर कर दिया है, आपको समझ में आया होगा, मजा आया होगा, एंजॉय किया होगा. कीप इन टच विद मी एंड प्लीज डोंट forget to like and subscribe me. Okay, thank you. Good night, good luck. Very interesting question for all the maths lovers.